It's raining today. We are experiencing Typhoon Enteng all day. It's raining and it's cold. So my kids request food that may warm their body. Nagluto ako, guys. I cook something delicious. Here it is. Ayan ang niluluto ko kasi maulan. It's sinigang. Sinigang na may crabs and of course may mga vegetables din yan and may hipon. Sabaw pa lang ulam na. Ayan. Stay safe everyone. God bless.